Hey everyone, welcome back to Yes or No Item Reviews. In this video, we're going to unbox, set up, and review the Ulanzi MT-08 Mini Tripod. We have timestamps in the comment and description section below if you would like to skip to a certain section of the video. Let's go ahead and check out this item right now. So why do people love this tripod so much? Well, it's because it's a selfie stick, an extension pull for your B-rolls, and a tripod all in one item. It's a 3-in-1, which in my opinion is pretty cool. It's small enough to fit a backpack, a purse, or a small bag, and of course, your pockets. Also, this mini tripod is so light, it doesn't even register on my weighing scale. But seriously though, this mini tripod weighs less than a pound. It's also compatible with compact cameras such as Sony compact cameras, Canon compact cameras, and also cell phones like Samsung, Google phones, and of course iPhones. Now let's answer some questions. So this is what the box looks like. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. So that's pretty much it. No instructions, no phone clamp, no remote, just the Ulanzi MT-08 tripod itself. If you're looking for the phone tripod mount by Ulanzi, I'll leave a link in the description section below so that you can get one too. And if you're looking for a remote like this one, I'll also leave another link below for your convenience. Alright, let's look at the parts of the Ulanzi MT-08 tripod. On the top, you'll see the 1/4 screw that you could put different phone mounts and cameras. On the side, you see a knob that loosens and tightens a 360 ball head. In this case right here, the ball head is loosened and you can move the ball head around in a 360 motion. This right here is the extension pull, and it has 3 different heights to it. We will go more into depth with that later. Here are the legs of the tripod. All 3 legs have a rubberized grip on the sides and the bottom. The legs themselves are plastic made, and it does take a tiny effort to open them up, but not bad at all. Which in my opinion is good because then you know the legs won't flop around. When you close it, you'll hear a click sound, which tells you that it's secure to hold again. Here's a closer look at the 360 ball head. Once a phone mount or a camera is installed on top, it looks something like this. Because ball head is 360, you can film almost any angle you want, and this little space right here will allow you to angle for selfies or vertical mode. Another question you may be asking is the ball head sturdy? Well, let's tighten the knob and test it out. When I shake the tripod, the ball head and phone mount stay in place like it should. Okay, now let's loosen the knob and stand the mount upright. Let's tighten the knob again and test it. Yep, it's sturdy. When loosened, 360 ball head will easily move. Here's a question that everyone might ask. How tall is a tripod when the tripod's legs are closed? Here you see the tripod pulled out to its first level of extension. The tripod is about 7.5 inches long. Let's pull the tripod to the second level of extension, and this tripod measures out to be a little over 9 inches long. And finally, the third level of extension measures out to be a little over 10.5 inches long. The next question is related to the last one. How tall is the tripod when the legs are open? With no extension of the tripod itself is almost 5 inches tall. When I make the tripod taller to the first level, it turned out to be about 6.5 inches tall. The second level of extension turned out to be about 8 inches tall, and finally the last measurement of third level extension measured out to be a little over 9.5 inches tall. If you enjoyed this video, the videos on the right are similar to the one you just watched. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next item.